What's up, guys? I'll be teaching you how to fix whatever this is, and we're gonna be tightening this guy too, cause he's loose. As you can, here, let me show you an example real quick. See that? It jumped. We don't want it jumping. We want it to stay right here. So we're gonna do that first. So you're gonna want a 6 mil, well, whatever size yours takes. Mine takes is 6. See, 6 mil. You want to take your 6 mil Allen key. Bro, shut up! And you want to sit here, and you want to evenly crank it, just like here. Evenly put it down. So like. See how I took it from like here to down here? Now we're gonna do the same on this one. Oh, that one was loose, so I'm gonna do a little bit more. And we just want to do this for all of them. Alright. And then last one. Bro, that goddamn truck needs to shut up. Alright, so we crank that one down. It is going to be a little loose, but like we're not wheeling it. And then of course, we're going to do this one, which this one's a little harder. Like step 1, you want to hold it up and evenly crank it. Like here, let me see. Ah! Okay, so I've dropped it. And anyway, so here, look. We're cranking it down because you want to have it tight, just so if you do learn how to wheelie, you want to have it where you feel comfortable. I have mine like T-bars. It's like they're coming up straight and not a little crooked back. And what that does for me is that helps it reach balance at least a lot better while I'm standing. Oh, this one's loose. You want to easily just crank it down a bit. See, because they get hard. They get hard to tighten easily. So what this does pretty much is this screws into this base plate as it's screwing it in, it pushing these together. So it's pretty much like if you take a screw in between our fingers, it's gonna like move it down. And that's what we want it to do. Like here, look. Here, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this done real quick, or at least tighten it down so I can show you better. Alright, guys, so we got the bars tightened up. Y'all, I dropped my Allen key. I don't know where it went. Like, it's just gone, bro. It despawned. It's not back there. Is it back there? It's just gone, bro. What the fuck? What the? Alright, bro, where'd it go? She'll say, I can't find it. Stupid dog. What the? It fall back there. Where did it go? Alright, bro, it's just honestly gone. Like, what the fuck? You know, I have no clue where it went. Hold on, I'll cut back when I find it. I found it, let's go. So pretty much what you want to do, so I've already explained this, but you want to crank it down. Okay, it's right there. I'll get back to y'all when it's holding itself up. Alright guys, we got the thing holding up. As you can see, it's holding itself up. It's tightened down. You can tell between the gap. If you come down here, you can see it's evenly tightened, which is nice. And I guess I can get myself some clips wheeling if I want. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get some clips of me wheeling. And I'm a little rusty because I've been sick for a good bit. So yeah. Pause it. Alright guys, this is attempt number 1 of trying to get a long wheelie. Attempt number 2. Alright, attempt number 3, but up the hill. Alright, number 4. Alright, this is the last one, guys. I'm gonna be warming up with some tricks with some ollie, a shove it, and a kickflip, and a secret trick that my friends don't know about. So let's go with number 1, the ollie. You know what? That one was decent. Where's me? That one was decent enough somehow, and we're just gonna. You know what? I'm gonna do a shove it. Oh, come on, bro. It's like this, guys. I'm not bad at skateboarding. Oh, bro. Alright, let me get a kickflip. Alright, don't stop it, please. Alright. God dang it. Alright, here. I'll do a kickflip standing still just because moving is a little bit sketchier because I haven't warmed up for it. Alright, here, you know what? I'll get one more. I'll get a few more. Alright, ready guys? Here, it's right here. No, I didn't land it, bro. Alright, here, let me get one more and then I'll do my secret trick. What the? Alright, you ready guys? Let's go! Kickflip! Alright. Come here. What my friends don't know is I got nollie kickflip right now. Ready guys? Nollie kickflip. Oh! I'm joking, bro. I'm joking. This is nollie kick. Alright guys, I'm gonna do an ollie kick for real though. There you go guys. Why do I suck at these, bro? That was kind of embarrassing. Hold on, guys, I got this. Nollie kick. Here comes me. Bro, you ruined the goddamn clip. Not you. Not you.